What's up, you guys? Welcome to part 3 of the Axis engine building series. In today's video, we still have a few parts that I have to put back on the motor before I can actually start putting it back on the bike. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video because I do have an important announcement to make. With all of that being said, thank you so much for watching, and let's waste no more time getting right into this video. Maybe I should have oiled those first. Whatever. Okay, I think we're ready to toss this thing on the, oh, hold on. There's one more part we gotta put on before we do that. Actually, we can probably just toss it on now. Yeah, let's go ahead and try to toss it on. Woof! God damn, that was kind of difficult. Ooh, I can't feel my leg. Oh my god. I'm about to spasm. Nah, I didn't. Okay. Holy shit. I need a sip of my Capri Sun. Capri Sun done. And this literally just got put on there to stop it from backing out. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wonderful, because you look bonita. Alright, you guys, so I'm pretty much done on this side of the motor. I just have to put this little clasp back on, but you guys really don't need to see that. It was kind of painful last time, so yeah. Let me show you guys what I got. I purchased this from Go Power Sports. This is a, wow, that kind of popped on the frame. This is a copper exhaust gasket. Now, I've had some issues in the past. The gasket's kind of blowing out. As I'm recording this, I'm kind of realizing that may have been because I've over tightened it, but I'm hoping that this kind of helps that issue, so we're gonna test it out. If not, I have another one, so it is what it is. This line needs to get ran through here. Oh, it's never really good at getting it in the hole. Oh, I'm actually fucking stupid. It goes over the y'all stupidity. Fucking, it's genetic.
know how to refuel your mini bike. You're getting gas all over the place. Your paint's gonna be ruined on that gas tank.
Alright, so I forgot to put oil in it. Why did you die? So what you just watched is me stumbling across my first of many issues. There are a lot to go over. However, this video is getting a lot longer than I want it to be, so I will have to make a part 4. Until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh no, I'm getting grease on my shorts.